If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your YouTube account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are using the account linked to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your Google account. This can usually be found in the left-hand menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Turn off two-step verification. On the two-step verification page, you will see an option to turn it off. Click the turn off button and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Review your account security. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your YouTube account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other protective measures.